Hello everyone and welcome to A to Z United. This is our match preview for tomorrow's game between Manchester United and RB Leipzig. We have Anand with us. It's always good to have you, brother.
It's good to be here too, brother.
So tomorrow is a crucial game against RB Leipzig. What do you make of it?
I'm pretty excited about tomorrow's game, Ankit. RB Leipzig is a fantastic team to watch, and tomorrow's match is going to be really exciting. We've had a really good start in the Champions League. We have 3 points in our first game, and considering that this is a group of death, we really needed that win against PSG. And as you know, that our next game against RB Leipzig is also at Old Trafford. So, we should take this opportunity and get the 3 points as well. And they have a fantastic manager, and they play really beautiful football. So it's going to be a really good game to watch. How about you, Ankit? What are your expectations in tomorrow's match?
Yeah, as you rightly pointed out, they have a good manager. The style of playing is again fantastic. Currently, they are number one in Bundesliga. Also, their recent form is quite good. They have just drawn one in the last six features in all the competitions. So yes, their form and looking at the style of play, it is going to be a difficult game. People who think that RB Leipzig might be the weaker fixture among the key fixtures that we have lined up, but this is going to be quite a tricky one. Ole needs to get the formation and the tactical system right because Julian Nagelsmann is a really good manager. He took them to the semi-final last year in the Champions League. So I'm looking forward for a very tough competition and a very close neck-to-neck game.
I think, Ankit, speaking of form, by the way, as you mentioned that they have drawn only one game. So RB Leipzig currently have not lost in 6 games. In the Bundesliga, they have about five. Sorry, not in the Bundesliga, but their previous 6 fixtures have been 5 wins and 1 draw. Right, and they're sitting top of the Bundesliga table. Basically, we are playing against the table toppers of Bundesliga tomorrow. And speaking of our form as well, our victory since our defeat against Spurs. We defeated Newcastle convincingly. We defeated PSG pretty well. We never looked to concede a lot of goals against PSG apart from that one goal. And then we had a pretty good, solid defensive performance against Chelsea. Of course, we should have taken it against them. But again, it was a good point to have as well. And speaking of our form, do you feel that we are in a good position to, take this game towards RB Leipzig and, get the win, get the 3 points?
Yes, considering we have all the players available apart from Bailly and Lingard, I think we have a decent enough squad to get at least a positive result against Leipzig tomorrow. So Ole needs to get the formation and the players on the pitch right to win this game because there are just 5 games into the season. RB Leipzig may be the table toppers in Bundesliga, but they are not the best team in the world. So yes, we can certainly get a positive result from them tomorrow, depending upon if Ole Gunnar Solskjaer gets it right. Do you think Manchester United can overcome Leipzig tomorrow?
Yes, I'm pretty confident we can do that. We have the necessary players who can do the damage. After our dreadful start to the season, we are finally settled in defense. Harry Maguire, Victor Lindelof, of course, Axel Tuanzebe, Aaron Wan-Bissaka has always been brilliant. So we are really settled defensively. So I'm hoping that tomorrow as well we provide a pretty good defensive masterclass, and we have the necessary players who can do the damage. Marcus Rashford has been in amazing form. Bruno Fernandes has been, he has really started the season bright, scoring penalties, scoring goals in open play, as well as providing good assists. So, and of course, we have the other necessary firepower in Mason Greenwood. We'll have to see if Edinson Cavani would be playing, and of course our midfield as well. We've got so many options in midfield. So I am pretty confident about tomorrow's match, and I feel that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer should be setting up the team in such a way where we go and get the 3 points against them.
Yeah.
And speaking of lineup, Ankit, what do you think would be our predicted lineup? What do you think Ole is going to come up with?
Now that depends because if you see Julian Nagelsmann also play the similar kind of system, but a 4-2-3-1 or a 4-1-4-1. So I think he'll at home, as we are playing at home, he'll not go with a back three. He'll go with a back four. De Gea in goal. Aaron Wan-Bissaka on the right hand side. He'll play Maguire and Tuanzebe. I like to see Alex Telles again in this game, but I don't know if we'll pick him. But I'll go with Alex Telles. The midfield of Fred, McTominay, and Fernandes will continue, considering they covered the maximum distance against PSG. And it gives a defensive stability and robustness in the midfield for Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Also, there is a key stat. Whenever these three have started in the midfield, United have won 7 and drawn 3 games out of the 10 that this trio has played. So he'll continue with this midfield with Fred, McTominay, and Bruno Fernandes. Since we have Martial for this game, he'll play Martial up top with Rashford and Greenwood as the wingers. So this looks decent enough side to beat Leipzig, or do you make any changes? Bring in Cavani, or maybe a surprise in Igalo or some other player?
So, I would definitely want to see Marcus Rashford up top, starting up top. With the speed and pace, he can do the damage. Anthony Martial, of course, who hasn't been available for the domestic games due to his suspension. I feel that most probably he'll be the one who'll be starting against Leipzig. But as you mentioned, Cavani had a pretty solid game against Chelsea when he came on. His first touch was amazing. He could have scored that goal.
That was if he had scored.
Yes, and coming after 10 months of without playing any football and having that minor impact on the game.
He looks sharp. Yeah, he
looks sharp. He actually looks sharp, and I wouldn't be surprised if I can see Cavani starting. In fact, I'll be also hopeful. I'll be hopeful that I would want to see Cavani start. But if my number one choice is going to be, it's going to be Rashford, who I would prefer up top. But of course, there are a lot of permutations and combinations that could be done with the lineup, since we have used different formations, different players in setups, different defensive partnerships and even midfield partnerships. But out of all these players, Ankit, who do you think, according to you, would be the star man? Who are you looking up to, for tomorrow's game?
For tomorrow's game, again, Bruno Fernandes. I think he can make the difference. He controls the game from the midfield, his creativity, his passing range. So I think, yes, Bruno Fernandes from Manchester United, I'll be looking forward to. What about you? Who do you think will be the standout man for tomorrow?
So I feel, again, tomorrow's match, I feel it's going to be one of the defenders. And I'm counting on Aaron Wan-Bissaka to have a very good game. I'm not sure about the central defense partnership, so that's why I'm going safe with Aaron Wan-Bissaka, who should be pretty good. And so, but apart from that, of course, also hoping that Bruno Fernandes, as always, to deliver in this particular tomorrow's match as well. So, of course, a lot of interesting discussions to come, against Leipzig. But a lot of questions also to be answered. Questions where, can Manchester United improve their home form this season? Can they pick off from where they left off in their last Champions League game against PSG?
Can we break the voodoo?
Can we break the voodoo? Of course. Can we defeat RB Leipzig in the first ever meeting against them, against the Bundesliga toppers? So a lot of good questions to be asked. And in tomorrow's game, that's going to, answer a lot of these questions. But until then, please do tune to our channel. And Ankit, is there anything else that you would like to say?
What are your score predictions for this game?
Oh, my predictions would be... So I'm going to be confident... I don't know. I'm going to be rolling the ball over here, and I'm going to say that we'll be defeating Leipzig by 2-0.
Okay, I'll agree with you on this point. I'll say 1-0 to United, but I wouldn't be surprised if it ends in a draw. It all depends on how Solskjaer approaches this game. If we see the same intensity, the same aggression against we saw against PSG, I think we can overcome Leipzig.
Yes, Ankit. Absolutely. Yeah, and we do have the players who can, hurt them as well. So, absolutely, yeah. So, hopefully, let's see how tomorrow's game progresses. And hopefully, we get the most needed 3 points. As we all know, that Manchester United are, of course, paired in the group of death with PSG and Leipzig. So, winning just one game, that's a good start. But we need more wins, as early as possible.
Yeah.
So again, thank you so much, viewers, for tuning us into this particular conversation. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And as we always said, that if you could get this channel to 50 subscribers, we would we'll include you subscribers as well into our conversation. So that should be pretty interesting as well. But until then, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you, Ankit, for
Thank you.
also allowing me. Yeah, and thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.